Hey, do you wake up with a sore jaw or notice your teeth looking worn down? You might be grinding your teeth at night, a condition called bruxism. It's more common than you think. Bruxism can cause severe wear on your teeth, leading to cracks, chips, or even loose teeth over time. It can also trigger headaches and jaw pain. But don't worry, there's a solution. A custom night guard can protect your teeth by acting as a barrier while you sleep, keeping your smile safe and healthy. Talk to your dentist about getting one fitted. It's a game changer. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more dental tips to keep your smile shining bright.